We're just have to see if there's a beep.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning.
Tornado warning.
Southern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Waverly, 13 miles southeast of Nashville, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Wait, hold on.
Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage, likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Carthage, Smyrna, Waverly, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Watertown, Portlandsville, Rural Hill, Antioch, Walter Hill, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Tucker's Crossroads, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Gladeville, and Percy Priest Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 233 and 264. Interstate 24 between mile markers 56 and 70. Interstate 840 between mile markers 59 and 76. Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.